Mr. Campbell Black hunted closer to home, beginning a relationship with Declan O'Hara's daughter Agatha, a girl 17 years his junior. What sort of a man preys upon the young daughter of his colleague and friend?
I don't think she likes you, Debbie.
Utterly! You're disgusting and I want nothing to do with you.
There is someone,
Abhorrent!
but
Did you sleep with her immediately or did you honourably hold off for one night?
I want you to stay away from Taggy.
You made him promise not to touch me. Rupert kissed me.
I was already sleeping with Cameron before I kissed you. She's out of bounds.
Then you shouldn't have kissed me.
No, I shouldn't have kissed you.
Get out of my kitchen. What if no one ever loves me?
Bless you. I must never do it again.
I can't breathe without you.
Oh, so something did happen then, did it?
I mean it, Tag. I mustn't. Someone